Hello everyone, this is Ken with Power Source Electric Unlimited, and thanks for checking out our video on dimmers. Dimmer switch is very handy to have. You can change the whole lighting in a room. You can give yourself a little bit more light. Sometimes you want to cut the light down and just have some kind of accent light to it, but dimmer switch is the way to go with that. You can easily take out a standard switch, single pole switch, meaning it only has two wires connected to it. Two power wires via the power coming in and the switch leg going back out to the light or light fixtures that you're trying to control. You'll also have a ground wire attached to it, which would be a bare wire or a green wire. So let's take a look at a dimmer switch. This is a standard dimmer switch, slide dimmer. Go ahead and take a closer look at it out of the box, and you'll notice that your slide will come up and down, and it'll go into an off position, click into an off position, reverse it around. It can actually be mounted in both ways, but right at the very top it'll say top right on there. So moving it out of its off position, you'll slide it up, and then the light will change to the way you want it to. So we're going to look at the back. It'll come with wires pre-attached to it. It'll be two standard black wires, and when you're replacing a standard single pole switch, you'll just connect these with the wire nuts to each one of your leads going into your dimmer switch, and then your ground wire, which we'll go ahead and show here, ground wire will go to your bare wires or your green wire, which is your ground wire. Just make that connection with the wire nuts. If you don't know how to make a connection with wire nuts, please check out our video on wire nuts, and that will give you some instruction on that. Also, take a look at our video on switches if you see how those are connected, and that'll give you a little bit of background on that. But I highly recommend dimmer switches where it's convenient for you. Most people use them in their dining room, changing the atmosphere in the dining room. Your living room, good place to use a dimmer switch. Sometimes you don't want the bright light on, you just want a little low light while you're watching TV, reading a book, or just trying to relax. But if you have any other questions on dimmer switches, please hit contact us and send your request, and I'd be happy to respond back to you. Thanks a lot for checking out our video on dimmer switches.